Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Cheche Stitches. In this channel, I share dress making and bag making tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a fabric book cover. So guys, stick to the end of this video because at the end of this video I'm going to be teaching you guys something you guys have been requesting for, how I cover the lengths of my classes using fabric. This is something that a lot of you guys asked for, so I decided to just add the tutorial at the end of this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need is getting the book you want to cover the back, and for mine I'm working with this stick back notebook. The second step is to measure the height and width of your book. So for the width of this book, I'm going to start from the edge of the back and end at the edge of the front, and after measuring it I got 13.5 inches. So for the height, I'm going to measure the height starting from the beginning of this book and at the end of this book. I got 8.5 inches. Remember when we measured the round of this book, we got 13.5 inches, but I'm going to add extra 8 inches to it. The reason why I added extra 8 inches is because the front of this book will take extra inches inside. When you measure out 13.5 inches, you might measure out again extra 8 inches to it. And for the height of this book, remember we got 8.5 inches plus extra 4 inches to it. If you're wondering if it is a must to add all these inches to the fabric, yes, it is. Let's keep going and you see the reason why you need to add all these inches. So like this, I've already cut my fabric ready. What I'm going to do next is to go right on my sewing machine and I'll fold the edge of this fabric, the four corner edge of this fabric, just like this. After folding the edges of the fabric, this is how it looks like. So what I'm going to now do is to get the book and I'll place it at the center of this fabric. What I'm going to do now is this front and back of the cover. Then I'm going to draw the that extra allowance which we added. So this is where the extra inches we added to the width, so this is where it's going to get. So maybe I'll just share it for 4 inches or 3.5 inches. So I'll use my pin to hold it this way, and you guys should watch carefully where I'm going to go right to my sewing machine and stitch. So the part I'm going to be marking chalk at is where I'll be stitching. Yeah. So guys, the extra tutorial I added to this video is this one. So how I covered the length of this glasses using fabric. So get the fabric you want and a gum. So the gum I'm working with is this top bond. So I'm going to bring out the length of this glasses and I'm going to place it very well, like accurately on the fabric. So when I place it on the fabric this way, I'm going to get the glasses and make sure that I'm facing it at the right face so that I won't make a mistake. So I'll use the glasses and check if it's facing at the right place. Then if it's facing at the right place, I'll now use my gum and gum on the lens and stick it to the fabric, cut it out. I'll use a lighter to trim the rough edge of the fabric that I'm going to add to the lens. After that, you add the lens back to the glasses, and yeah, that is basically all the steps I took in doing this. So I hope you guys understand. Well, let's keep watching and let's watch. Make sure you watch the end of this video and just skip any part, guys. So like this, we are watching together and seeing the process. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, Cheche Stitches, I don't know what you're waiting for, because I do post a lot of stuff, a lot of helpful stuff you get. So and I post consistently. It's not that I leave my channel for a long time, and I post trending stuff as well. So subscribe, guys. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop new video. Like when I drop new video, you understand? So and also share this video to people. It's helpful too. Drop a comment on the comment section below on what you think about this tutorial and many other of my tutorials as well. And yeah, let's keep watching. So guys, this is all for today's video, how to make a fabric book cover and also how I cover the lens of my glasses with a fabric. Thank you guys for watching. You guys know that I'm a very dramatic person, so I'm going to leave you guys to just watch a small clip of me rocking the book and also the glasses. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.